Ooh! Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Channel Real. Ang chabbiness na sexy. Yay! So good morning. It's a good morning. It's a beautiful day. Good morning mga kokak. So for today's video, we are going to cover another reaction to a performance of our dear friend Charlie. Yes. I did try this yesterday, but unfortunately, it has been blocked. That is very true. It has been blocked, but then again, we are going to try a different method. But obviously, I have seen that, and it was really a beautiful song. I think this was the suggestion of our dear friend Tyron Seto, and he did mention to me that I need to watch this when the room is really dark. And I said like, hang on a minute, and then I have watched it yesterday, and I think he is right. That performance of Joshan is really like from somewhere else, wherein it's a sort of like thriller or some scary things gonna happen. It is really applicable for his voice. It is really suited on him. I mean, I'm not branding him on that kind of thing, but then again, his voice fits anywhere, everywhere, anything. It can do it, you know, the voice can do that one. So I need to shut up and sit on our favorite spot so we can start doing our reaction video to our Joshan. Push the doorbell. Okay, so follow me. So welcome back mga kokak. We are already sat on our favorite spot, and we are doing Joshan's performance to ring the doorbell to listen to myself. So I hope you guys will be enjoying this video, and so do I. So I need to stop talking in 3, 2, 1, action. Ring the doorbell to listen to it myself. There you go. Wow. You have my address. So scary. Oh my God. So scary that. Shh. Calm yourself. Right, hold up. See, Tyron Seto is really right. We need to watch this or listen to this music or performance of Joshan in a dark place. But then again, I don't think it's alright. It's a good idea for me because I'm too scared. See, the lyrics itself, it's sort of like really scary. What more if you're gonna listen that in a dark room? Oh my God. And then the background itself, it's too scary. His voice is soothing on this one. He is telling a story on this one. So I presume this one is a like an original soundtrack of some movie or a like a sort of series or something like that, or soap opera. Please comment down below, guys, so we will be updated on, you know, what kind of soundtrack is this being made for. Okay, so his voice is scary on this one, so I'm really scared. You know, I am already focused on what he is saying, because initially yesterday I was enjoying the music itself, but here I can see the English sub. So there you have it. The more I will understand the lyrics plus the music background, it scares me more. Okay, guys, so I think we need to go back and continue doing this reaction, and listening to what Joshan's gonna bring to us. Okay, so we are going back. See, the sound of agony. Oh. Oh my God, I'm scared now. Look, I've got this chill now. Oh my God. Oh, scared now. I want to organize your money too. Oh my God. The lyrics is so scary. Ooh, the growl. Oh. Wow. Oh. Sure. Right, hold up. Oh my God. How long he sustained that note. Oh my God. Fabulous. Nobody can do that, really. And to think he's a male. Oh my God. With a combination of vibrato, he is building things, and then he's exploded with a very sustained note. That's excellent. Oh my God. Plus, the lyrics itself, it's a genius, really. I'm really like, look, I've got goosebumps until now. It's because of the dreamy lyrics that Joshan is doing. Okay, so we need to continue watching this. Okay, so we are going back. Another one. Oh my God. See? The background is so scary. Ooh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, my observation here is Joshan is bringing his singing performance into a different level. You see, it's all a mix-up of like an opera. There is also like rock. and there is also like a sort of like ballad. It's all a combination of all those things, and he wrapped it to perform in one song. It is really genius. Oh my God, did you hear the operatic voice of Joshan in that performance? Oh my God, it's an excellent one, isn't it? And then, you know, the shifting of his normal singing voice into like a falsetto, the transformation is very clear. You know, there are some singers who's doing that, but then again, the transformation is a bit rough. But for Joshan, it's effortless. You know, the transformation is very smooth. He is placing it in the right manner, and the growl, you know, I've heard him growling in here. He plays it also in a right, right way. So he never overused the growl, because obviously there are some singers who overuse growling, like blah, 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 doing like that. But he plays it in one place, and it's effective. And that is why I really love listening to him, whether it's a Chinese voice or Chinese dialect, whether it's sung in English, whether it's in Japanese and some other dialects. I will be, or you will be, enjoying his voice, because it is like water. It's clear, it's transparent. You can use his voice in any form. That is, you know, my observation for him. You know, so that's why there's a lot of people following him. Okay, guys, so if you have enjoyed watching this video, please drop a massive thumbs up. Don't forget to like and share. Also, don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and lastly, don't forget to hit the notification button so you'll be updated on all the videos that I'm uploading almost every day. Yes. Okay, guys, so this is Chanria leaving you spread love in all forms. Okay, guys, bye.